Alright, so right now, you guys, we made some chicken cake, grilled cheese.
Panini sauce, yeah.
Yeah, with chicken. So
Garlic chicken.
this morning I worked, kind of. I kind of failed, but I need to work on some stuff. On the bus, he kind of did a surprise test today, and I was so close to passing, but there's some stuff that we need to work on a little bit, but not much. So I'm getting better. So that's what's going on. Grace is silly right now. Yeah, Grace is silly. She's supposed to nap, but she's not. What? What are you doing? Are you being silly? Yeah, you're being silly. Grace is silly. You guys, silly goose. Go to sleep. Take a piss, go to sleep, okay? Relax about it, okay? Yep. She's just cuddling with me and trying to fall asleep because she's tired. Is fixing the tub, you guys, because it's really, really bad. So Rick's fixing the tub because this part right here is really loose. So he's gonna fix this so it's nice and secured. So when we get home from camping, so right now, you guys, we are packing for camping. Yep, we are packing for camping. So that's what I'm doing. Grabbing the pillow, making sure everything's good. So that's what's going on. We made it to the camp, and there's the room right over there, you guys. Look at the room, you guys. Room tour. So this is quick. This is our room. Helen's room. And the living room. Your dad's sleeping too. So yeah, that's what's going on.
Are they bouncing you? Yeah.
Yeah, they're bouncing you. Yeah, they're bouncing you. Now, you guys, we are doing story time with Grace. Yeah.
This has a little bit of energy, guys.
A lot of energy.
It's actually kind of bedtime, though.
It's bedtime. Do you want to listen to a story time with Dad? Do you want to sit on my lap?
Should we go see Dad?
Duck. Duck. Moose. Duck. 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 A duck. A moose. A duck. Duck. Moose. A duck. Duck. Moose. Duck. 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 Oh, duck. A moose. Timbo. Moose. A duck. 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 Hey, Grace. Duck. Duck. Oh, the duck is saying shh. Moose. 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 Duck. Duck. Moose. So I hope you guys enjoy this episode. If you guys do, give it a big thumbs up and tell me in the comments what you guys want me to do tomorrow with a brand new video. Goodbye.